Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today we're going to be talking about Nio. And before I start the video, guys, please leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. I want to grow the family, and hopefully, we can go on this investing journey together. So with that being said, let's get started. So Nio, what is Nio? Nio is essentially a rival to Tesla. They produce electric vehicles, kind of luxury electric vehicles, but it's a company based out of China. Now, a lot of people have been hearing a lot of talk about Nio, especially because, Tesla has been gaining a lot of popularity lately, but, and all these EV companies that no one's ever heard of are starting to kind of rise up, and they're starting to get a lot of attention, or even companies that are directly or indirectly related. You have people like Plug Power and other stocks like that produce hydrogen fuel cell batteries. Basically, EV is the next big thing. This is why Nio is going to be the next big thing. If you watched my last video, I think Nio is a strong buy. It is labeling itself as the Tesla of China. You have a bunch of banks like Bank of America and all these big time investors that are, behind Nio, saying that Nio could be the next big thing. Me personally, I think Nio is going to be the next big thing. Don't get me wrong. Tesla is an amazing company, is doing very well for itself. Its cars are beautiful. They're very luxurious. They're fast, and they do appeal to the public. But the thing is, not only is the stock super expensive, but you have to also understand that because Tesla's so successful, it's going to have a lot of competitors. I mean, look at the general population of cars itself. If you take a look at Toyota, if you take a look at Ford, if you take a look at Nissan, there's so many car competitors out there. But since EV is the next big thing, we're going to see the same thing with EV cars. There's going to be a lot of strong competition. I know a lot of people are talking about Nio because not one, Chinese markets are huge, almost as big as the United States, if not bigger. And Nio already has plans to go global. I've taken a look at some of their cars, and they're absolutely stunningly beautiful. They look super modern and sporty. So Nio could be the next big competitor to Tesla. Let alone you also have Nikola Motors that's kind of making its way up there as well. So the EV market, it's growing, and it's growing fast. It's starting to get a lot of popularity. And guys, I'm not saying Nio is going to be a $2,000 stock in 10 years. I don't know for sure, but Nio is a for sure buy right now. And obviously, that's, just my personal recommendation, not financial advice, but a lot of people are picking up Nio. I think Nio does have what it takes to go to the next level. It's got, a lot of investor support. It's got the market, and it's based out of China as well, which obviously helps that, because Chinese is such a big market. I know Tesla is expanding there now as well. So it's very interesting, to say the least. The reason I also think Nio is a good buy right now is because, guys, you have to understand that, it's pretty similar to Tesla. Tesla used to be a $10, $15 stock. People thought the company was going to go bankrupt. But since EV has so much growing popularity, now is the time to pick up Nio. I personally wouldn't wait on it because if you think about it in the long term, soon enough it's going to be $20, then $30, then maybe $50, or maybe $100. Who knows? Look at Tesla. It was a $200 stock, 5 months ago, when the whole pandemic started, and now it's sitting around $2,000, and it's absolutely insane. If you bought 5 Tesla shares for $1,000, you would have made 10 times your initial investment. That's crazy, and a lot of people are doing the same with Nio. They don't want to miss the train. They know that Nio is potentially the next big thing. It's got the market for it, and it's very, very attractive. I honestly recommend buying Nio. Obviously, there is time before things actually get going, but don't wait before it's too late, because soon enough, it's going to start climbing, and then you're not going to catch it before it's too late, kind of thing. And like I said, guys, the market's growing, the market's there, the competition is super fierce. So I think Nio is going to be doing very, very well here in the coming months. I think the company does have a lot to show for itself. There's a lot of big time investors that are behind it. I'm behind it. Even a lot of retail investors are behind it as well. So with that being said, I think Nio is an absolute must buy. I don't see any reason why people would not be picking up this stock right now. It honestly looks like a bargain to me. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. Any feedback is always appreciated. Thank you guys. Have a good day.